Hey, what's up guys? In this video I will be talking about the traction control module that I developed for Hyundai Genesis specifically. A lot of people are asking how to disable traction control off fully on those vehicles, Genesis 4.6, Genesis 5.0, Genesis R-Spec. It is easy. You can simply pull this traction control fuse out of the box and you will have traction control fully disabled, but with the traction control also ABS system will get fully disabled, which is pretty kind of sketchy. So this is why I developed my traction control module specifically for Hyundai's and Genesis. It works perfectly fine for Hyundai Genesis 3.8, 4.6, 5.0, also Hyundai EQUUS and Genesis 5.0. So I have tried on all of those cars and it works perfectly fine. This product is made personally by me and I assembled it here in Texas, Houston. So it is made in USA and total cost for the product is $120. The product includes free shipping all around the world. It doesn't matter where you are, I will be shipping it for free. So if you are watching this video, it means you already bought my traction control module or you are about to buy it. So in this video I will be showing you step by step how to install this product on your vehicle, and in video will be shown specifically Genesis R-Spec. It is same easy to install on any other Genesis. You just simply need to locate your traction control fuse and instead of fuse install this module. Installation is very easy. You just follow the instructions. All it needs to do is connect instead of factory traction control fuse and attach ground wire to the chassis ground. That's it, nothing else. Let's talk about the warranty. This product has a 1-year warranty. In case of failure, we will replace the product, and that's about it. We do not give any warranty if you will have any trouble with a law, if you get in trouble with the police, if you get in trouble with the control of your vehicle, if you lose the control and accidentally damage your vehicle. We give no warranty and take absolutely no responsibility about that, because this is the product that should be used for the racing purpose only. It is not meant for the public roads. I take no responsibility if you get in trouble when you turn off the traction control. So keep this in mind before purchasing this product, because it is not for everybody. If you are not sure in your capabilities of driving skills, just don't do it. Before Hyundai Genesis, I used this approach on many other vehicles with much success. So I decided to implement this solution for the Hyundai Genesis owners as well, because I have a lot of customers that are running R-Spec Hyundai Genesis and have all the same problem when it comes to delivering full power to the wheels. Whenever you have a lot of power on this car, it is trying to spin the tire and accelerate faster. The traction control kicks in and doesn't let you spin the tire and accelerate at full power. So this is where my traction control module comes into play and allows you to deliver full power to the wheels without any limitation, without throttle closure, etc. So it is not meant just for the burnouts. You can do the burnout, you can do donut, you can do drift, you can do the tire warm-up on a drag strip, etc. All up to you. You will be free from traction control limitations. You will not have a throttle closure, so you can do whatever you want. So out of the box, what you will receive is this. So basically here is a module itself that goes this part instead of the factory fuse, and this wire goes to the anywhere on the chassis ground. That's it. And here you have the fuse for the traction control moved. So this is a remote module for the traction control. Then, except that, you get the keychain, you get the remote, you get the fuse puller just in case if you don't have, and one nut. It can be either black or either silver or any color, whatever I will find. So basically that's it. And I'll show you how to install this and how to make it work. Okay, let's leave all this aside. We need this guy right here. And we need again to locate the traction fuse here, which is second in a row. Let me show you closer. Okay, so you need to locate the fuse that says VDC ESC. Okay, so here's a fuse puller. If you don't have this thing or got lost, I'll be supplying this guy. So on this Genesis, traction control fuse is located right here. You just pull it out, save it somewhere, take the module and plug it in instead of the factory fuse, just like this, and leave it somewhere here. Then you take this ground wire and attach to any ground source, whatever you have in a chassis. It can be either this place here or here. I would like to run the wire under those thick wires and tight it here. So let me do that. Okay, so you take this wire and run under all this. Here, and you just simply attach to this guy right here, and you use the nut that I supply and just tighten it right here. First hand tight, and then you will need to use like a 10mm socket or any sort of wrench. That's it. It is ready to go. You just cover it back. Good to go. Then you move to the next part, interesting part. So the next step would be the car is running, there is no lights on. You take the supplied remote control, which has this on-off button on it. You just push the on button, hold it for like 20 seconds. As soon as you see the EPB light coming on the dashboard, yeah, here we go, you release your finger from the button and ABS and brake light will go off, which means that traction control is fully disabled and the ABS is working back to normal. That's it. And if you want to switch back the traction control on, all you need to do is turn ignition off and turn ignition on and start the engine like this. You turn it off and you just restart your engine and all the lights are off. So that's it. Now the factory traction control is back to normal operating condition, and if you will need to do the burnout, do the donuts or race or warm up the tires, all you need to do is press the button on the remote, wait for a couple seconds till the EPB light comes on, and you're good to go. Light came on, remove your finger from the button, and the ABS light is gone. We're good to go. The product is available on my website. The link will be posted below in the description of this video, but it is www.geptuned.com. And the final part, troubleshooting. This product has a direction of installation, so it means that connector should be installed only one way. So if fuse can be rotated and plugged in any direction, this product does not. So if you will plug in wrong way, it simply will not work and there's nothing bad in it. You just unplug it, turn around and plug it back, and everything will be fine. This is just a note to keep in mind. If you will plug in the device and it doesn't work, there can be two things. Either you plugged in wrong direction and you need to just rotate it and plug it back, or the ground is not there. So you should check your ground wire attachment. It should have a good ground. That's it. Thank you very much for choosing my product. Thank you very much for being with me. Stay tuned for more.